Listen here, this is basic arithmetic. Divide and conquer, so charismatic. Hey, buddy, in the chasing hits like ethics. I'd rather put lead in your ethic. Bad sticks, articulate MCs are rare.
What's up, YouTube? It's been a while. It's Mike D. Back with a video. It's been a little while, maybe a few weeks. Today's a real special, emotional, crazy day. My 17-year-old just graduated from high school. Well, he's been done since January, but today was a graduation. I'm super proud. And I just left the graduation like 20 minutes ago. So I'm heading up to Foot Locker to pick up those gym reds that I did hit on the reservation. But before we get into that or anything else, make sure you guys like the channel, subscribe, hit me up in the comments. I stay in the comments. If you type something, write something, I'm definitely going to respond to it, and I'll do my best to respond to every one of them. With that being said, let's get to this mall. There's a little bit of traffic up here, and let's go pick these bad boys up. We got them. Gym Reds, baby. Alright, we'll do this unboxing in a little bit. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all, so here we go. Here's the Jordan 1 Gym Reds, and we'll just get to this code. See, there's right there, Airjordan 1 Retro, high OG, and it says black gym red white sale, size 11.5, my pair, and $160 for the price. Alright, so this comes in your standard Nike box, Airjordan 1, and let's see, we'll just take the lid off. Bam. There we go. The paint isn't as shiny as some people said it was. Let that focus. But I don't know. I like it a lot. I like it. It's clean. Very clean shoe. It comes with the black laces in it already. Then it also has the pack right there with the red laces. And let's see, you got your all black bottom, which I love, so it doesn't get as dirty. I hate white bottoms. As you see. See what the stitching goes to on that check. Let's check the other side. Same exact location. I picked this up from Foot Locker. That's really it, man. There's really a whole bunch on it, you know. I do like it. Airjordan right there on the upper. I'll just check this out again. Give me this nice in-depth close-up, and this is my cell phone. So that is it, y'all. It's my second pair of ones, so I'm starting to like these a little bit. I got the Phantoms, which I wore the other day. I really did. I like wearing them, and I like wearing these too. I really dig these, and I was hoping that I got lucky on that reservation app. But yeah, that's it. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel as I said earlier, and I'll try to get you some more videos like this, some of that heat. Alright, so until then, I'm going to enjoy some food, cook out, celebrate my son's high school graduation, which is a huge accomplishment, and I will talk to y'all later. Peace out, y'all.
Trying to get comfortable with the booth again, people.